Hey guys, it's Maurice. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my night cleaning routine with the baby bathroom and the baby's bedroom because it's always get messy in the end of the day and I need to clean it before he's going to sleep or when he's sleeping, so the next day it's ready for the next use. So today I am going to clean first or show you the bathroom, and I'm going to use this Mighty Mom multi-surface cleaning with the scent of lavender and the Zim with the apple scent, and I to light up some candle with a coconut lime scented, and also this mirror needs to get wiped, and I'm preparing water for the baby's bath for tonight. So now let's go on things out of the sink and just spray the mirror and also the sink to start wiping it down. And the baby's here, excited to go in his pool. So I guess he's really wanting to get wet in the shower. So in the moment later, you will see Boris is helping me out, also watching the TV. He's the best husband ever. I mean, oh my god, he's just helping me out when he knows that I'm filming and cleaning, and even though it's his work also, he gave a time to help me. So I'm very lucky and proud of him as a dad. Thank you, baby. So here I am just going to put all the things back to its place because I'm done wiping the sink, counter or something, and the mirror. I'm done them wiping them all, so I'm putting all the stuff back to its place. So for my sink, look how dirty that sink. Oh my god. But anyways, this OxiClean Fresh, it's actually for vacuum and for carpets, but I am using this for every cleaning lately because it's really smells so good, and I think it really also helps to clean. And also I'm using that steel wool or sponge, whatever you call that, with the rose gold color. And now I'm just going to scrub it all down. So you can see here that I'm using gloves when I'm using very hard and very strong cleaning products. I always use gloves because I think it's safer for your nails and for your hands not to get rough. Whatever. So now after the sink, I am going to the toilet, and for my toilet I am using the Oxy cleaner and also the Domex, and I'm just going to pour them inside and then spray the whole body of the toilet, and I will wipe down the parts that I can easily wipe down and then leave those cleaning products soak inside. So I'll just go back later and wash it on. So while waiting it's soaking, let's go for this room because it's super messy. And if you notice, the bed is actually made by my dad for free. My dad is a carpenter, so he wanted made a simple bed for Simon, just for him to have more thing to sit or for comfortable playing. And so thanks to dad. And then I just need to organize this room because he don't really use this room as much as he used the living room, but once in a while he always also stays in here by himself and play, so I always make sure it's clean and safe for him. So this time I'm wiping out the window because the outside is not too bad, but the inside I always make sure it's clean, so at least it doesn't look so dirty. And you can see the baby's walking around. I took him out actually from the shower. I changed him, I brushed his teeth, so he's just waiting for his sleep time, and he's just walking around getting some toys, so I need to get the toys and put them back in the place. So nice one, Simon. Love ya. So this is the clean room. I am very proud of it. I want to design more of this, and but I just need to think about what I am going to do with this room. But yeah, so now let's get on to back to the bowl, and now I'm just wiping out the inside part of the toilet already, and then the seat cover come off. But don't worry, mama know how to put it back on, because when you're a mother, you're not just a cleaner, but you're also almost a mechanic. But life as a mom is amazing. So now I am just gonna wipe it down and then brush the gross area, and then I actually don't feel gross so much to my bathroom because I know how clean, and I know it's super clean, even though I know myself that we put there sometimes, but I really know myself that it's one of the cleanest part of my house is my bathroom. I just make sure to wash my hands after all because the germs still there, but I would say the germs is 10-20%, so pretty much my bathroom is clean. So here I am cleaning the body of the toilet because I always make sure that they are clean and it doesn't look ugly. It doesn't feel gross. But anyway, so you can see now the finished look of the bathroom, clean and stuff like that. And I hope you like watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.